In this problem statement, it says that for the final round of a talent hunt, there will be X judges sitting in a single row of X chairs. Now remember that if we have to combine X judges in a row of single row of X chairs, the combination would be factorial of X. Now let us look into the rest of the question. It says that X is greater than 2, but no more than 5. So X could be less than or equal to 5 and greater than 2. So it could be either 3, 4, or 5. Now the question is, which of the following could be the number of possible sitting arrangement for the judges? Indicate two such numbers. So here the square option shows that we can pick two answers, and sometimes it wouldn't be mentioned how many options there is, and you will be given the option to choose one or multiple depending upon your answers. So in this question, since it says already the range of X, that it could be possibly 3, 4, or 5. So depending upon whether it's 3, 4, or 5, the arrangement of chair could be factorial 3, factorial 4, or factorial 5. It could be either of this. So factorial 3 is 6, factorial 4 is 24, and factorial 5 is 120. So from here we see that we do have option B 24 and D 120. So for the current problem, we have got our two answers.